Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we're here with something very special for the holidays, the 4th of July weekend. This is the Alvantor. It's a 10 by 10 foldable outdoor screen room. This will protect you from all of the mosquitoes, but it doesn't protect you from the fireworks because it will just burn a hole right through your tent. Anyhow, let's go ahead and open it up. This is a foldable tent, which is really cool. And 10 by 10 is really big. It's surprisingly big and fairly easy to work with. So here we go. Pull that out. And be careful when you're unfolding this thing. It is big, as I said. Check this bad boy out. Whoa. It's kind of a one-man job, but not really. They also do have a 6 by 6 foot size one, by the way. Now check that out. So let's go ahead and turn this around a little bit. There we go. Or I'll try not to fall in the pool while I do this. So this is the way that it is. I mean, obviously, it's kind of like a what is it, like a hexagon? I guess. How many sides we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so it's a hexagon. Here we go right here. You can unzip it. Unzip it like that. You could roll it up here if you want to roll it up. You're able to roll it up like this, all the way up to the top. You can kind of store it up here. You want to just come in and out. And then you can zip it up. So no mosquitoes can get you. Look at that, mosquito proof. That's pretty cool. This is a really big tent. You could definitely put some chairs in there. So come inside. Welcome to my humble abode here. Here we go. So here it is nicely zipped. You have a spot on this side you can get in and out, and also a spot on the other side. You can actually buy a cover for the floor. They do make one with this. The tent itself is about $160 on Amazon. And if you want to get the cover for the floor that actually fits this perfectly, 10 by 10, it's another $35 or $36. So under $200, you can have this 10 by 10 tent, outdoor screen room, plus you can have the floor covering. So there you have it. So now I'm going to go ahead and open this up, let you get back out, and I'll show you how you fold it. It's really not that hard, but you're never going to probably be able to fold it in the way that it came in the box. It's kind of a double fold, and it's kind of tough and kind of dangerous. All right, so go ahead and fold this back again. So just zip it on back up. There we go. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you how to fold this back. It's not that easy to do it with one person alone, but I think that we'll be able to accomplish it. So let's go ahead and try. First thing you're going to do is just push in the panels. So you can grab from any side and just push it right in like that. Bring it together. And then you go ahead and push in another panel. And I'll show you from here. There we go. And then just grab it and pull it together like this. Once you have it like this, you're going to lay it down on the floor. Like this. And you fold it over. And when you do, it's automatically going to bend like that. And just make sure both sides are even. And that's it. So now you do have a bag right here with some sticks in it, so you can actually hold it down to the ground. And you might want to take those out before you try and this was actually the strap that came on it when I first opened it up. So take those stakes out, make sure there's nothing in the bag before you try putting it back in. You do also have some folding instructions here, but you know, once you see how I did it, it's easy enough. Go ahead and grab it. You have to keep both pieces the same size. Don't let them come apart, or else you won't get it back in the bag. There we go. I'm gonna get that material out of the way. Get it all back inside the bag like this. Then you can grab your stakes and everything and just toss it in there. There we go. And zip it on up. Just like that. Nice and easy. So there you guys have it. This is the Alvantor 10-foot foldable outdoor screen room. Perfect for holidays, perfect for sports, any type of event you might want to go to that you don't want to get bit by mosquitoes. And just to mention as well, this is a 10 by 10 version. They also do have a 6 by 6 foot version as well for smaller spaces. So you can put chairs in it, put a sleeping bag in it if you want, stick it down to the ground, whatever you want. So that's the Alvantor 10 by 10 outdoor folding screen room. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.